Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and yes, I'm back on Windows XP. This is a series of wallpapers that I've actually came across by Michael Gillett, and basically it is AI-generated wallpapers for Windows XP that are available from him for free. There's Windows 11 versions also. There's all sorts of things you can check out. So I'll share the web page where I took it. This is where it is. There's the generative XP, which are the ones that I've chosen here. You have different sizes that you can download, or you can get the original or a 4K version and then apply it for your wallpapers. It's kind of cool. I gotta say, I got fooled by the looks at the first. It's just incredible how just a wallpaper kind of makes you feel going back to Windows XP in the good old days of XP. For a moment, I was almost fooled. The only thing that gave it away is, of course, the taskbar, but pretty cool. So they are available. You can go and download them from that page. And once you download them from the page, you can apply them in as wallpapers. You might need to convert them. I have seen that they are downloading as WebP pages or images. What I usually do is I open them with my the Paint app. And with the Paint app, I simply go in the file and export as a JPEG. And then when it's open as a JPEG, you can right-click on it and set as a wallpaper. So this is really cool to check out, and very nice. I'm gonna keep up Windows XP for a little while. I think it's kind of cool. So I will share this page where you can download it, and if you want to feel Windows XP for a while. Before I'll keep it probably for a few days before I move on to the next set of wallpaper pictures from the Microsoft Store. So the link to the website is in the description below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.